So today I will discuss how to reverse a string with recursion. As you can see, I have this main function in which there is a character array has a b c stored in this variable a. Next, we get the size of this array and it is stored in n. So size here will be 3. 3 will be passed here to this function reverse, and this is the starting index, and this is the character array passed to this function. This will reverse this array, and the array will be C B A printed on the screen. Now let's look at this reverse function. So let us look at this reverse function. It accepts a string array, then this is the starting index and this is the length of the array. If index is at last, means if length is 3 and we have reached the third index, then we will return. The recursion will stop here with this condition. If not, then a specific character will be stored in temp and recursion will continue to move to next index. When this return calls, then there will be print function in place which will print characters in reverse order C, B and A. Now let's look at how this function actually works. We pass the string array, and when the starting index, which is here 0, this is the length of the array, then we can see 0 is not equal to 3, so this condition false. Then at 0 index we get a character A in temp. First character was A, so temp contains A. Then we call this reverse function again with index plus 1, means index is now 1. Reverse will be called again, it goes here. Now when the second time this reverse function gets called, index is 1 and n is 3. 1 is not equal to 3, it means this condition is false. We move down. At 1 index of this string array we have B. At 1 index B will be stored in temp and this reverse function gets called again. Now index plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. Reverse function gets called with starting index 2 and length of array is still the same, 3. Now again when the third call, index is 2 and length of array is 3, so 2 equal to 3, which is false. 2 is not equal to 3. At 2 position, at index is 2, we have C. As you can see, at 0 index we have A, at 1 index we have B, at 2 index we have C. So at 2 index we have C, temp contains C. Again the reverse function gets called and index plus 1 gives us 3. Now in the fourth call, index is 3 and length of array is still 3. 3 double equal to 3, it means it's true. It will return back. It will return here. This call is complete. Now it will print. What was in temp? It was C. So first C will be printed. This function call gets completed. Then we return back. Here this is completed. Now what will temp contain? It will contain b. In this second call, temp contains b will be printed. As you can see, b will be printed. Then when this line of code completes, we get back to the first call. This function is completed, and at last here temp will be a will be printed in the output, final output. So this was recursion. This was reversing a string using recursive function. If you have still any confusion, you can ask me in comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.